What's going on, guys? I'm here on the Freedom of the Seas, and I'm about to show you guys, give you guys a tour of my room. We're going to be going to Nassau, Bahamas one day, and the second day we'll be going to the Perfect Day at Coco Cay. So let me give you guys a tour of what the Freedom of the Seas interior room looks like. As you can see, guys, I'm in room 6397 on the 6th deck. Alright, guys, as I'm entering the room, as you can see, this is a spacious room. I am traveling by myself, and they still gave me a king-size bed. So as you can see, coming around, you have some room over here. You also have room over there. The mattress, I can say, it's very comfortable. I know later on tonight I'm going to get a good nice rest. Also, what I like, they have this little chair right here. You don't want to lay down and lounge around in the bed. You're able to sit there, read a book, do whatever you need to do, and it's facing the TV. So you have the chair, you can sit right here in the chair, and you can watch your little movie or show sitting there, and you don't have to be just lounging in the bed. Now, later on in the evening, you do get in the bed. What I like about the TV, you can move the TV. So the TV does move, where you can actually lay in the bed and kind of chill out and watch your movie or TV show. So you have that option in this room to sit down in a chair and watch a movie or lounge around in the bed. Okay, so we're going to move over here to the cabinets area. As you can see right here, they do have you a refrigerator. So you can come put your food in here, a couple of drinks, while being in your room. They have plenty of space here for your drawers. You can put your brushes or drawers or socks or what have you. Right here is a great area for the ladies. They have a little vanity area where you can pull out your chair like so, sit there, put on your makeup, and just kind of do what you got to do. The room is spacious, so more than one person can move around and have plenty of room while being in the room. So we're going to go over here to the closet area. The closet is pretty spacious. As you can see, it's plenty of room for suits, clothing, attire, what have you. There's even room on top. I think that's pretty neat. You can put all your shoes or hats or what have you on top there, and you don't have to worry about them getting damaged. You have extra room over here. I think that's pretty cool for your shoes or brushes or whatever you would like to put there. Your safe is inside of your closet area. This is the closet area. Now we're going to move over to the restroom area. Okay, go ahead, open that up. As you can see, the restroom is nice and clean. Smells good. Have towels. You have extra roll of toilet tissue, extra towels. Okay. Now what I like this, it doesn't have that old shower curtain. That's what I like about it. On some cruises, they have that old shower curtain where you're taking a shower with water falling out, coming all out on the floor and all that. But here you got the shower, you just open it up like so. You can get in. It has plenty of room in here for you to kind of sit back, take your good shower. You can make it hot as you want because you don't have to worry about the steam or anything coming out of it because you have these type of doors here. And this here is a tour of Freedom of the Seas inside cabin room. You also have this mirror. So you put on a suit or you put on a dress, You have a full mirror showing you exactly what you look like. And this is my tour of an inside cabin on the Freedom of the Seas. Alright guys, also with the room, this little vanity area that they have here, you can cut the light on right here, and look how bright the lighting is for you ladies, your makeup, hair, whatever you need to do. As you can see my little, I got my little ducks here. If y'all ever see one of these ducks on the ship, go ahead and make sure you support the channel, please. And then going over here next to the bed, as you can see, they have the little lights right here, little reading lights here. You can adjust the little light and read. The little button is right here. Turn it on or turn it off. So you can cut the lights off. You can sit here and read a book or what have you while being inside of the room. And you can have a little friend with you.